Hi, we would like to offer you here a simple example of how to hide and show parts or blocks of a document within DocSpresso. As always, we start with some Word document, and this is an example of some mock federal government form or something like that. Okay, so we have here certain content that the user must eventually fill, and in particular we have here two blocks of content. One, if there is some proxy to carry out all the process, and also regarding the notification method. At this stage, these are only variables and tables that are within the Word document, and we're going to see how to handle the process of hiding or showing these blocks. Okay, so if we go to DocSpresso, we have already uploaded this document, and first of all we're going to see the result. Okay, so if we go to preview, as you see here, I have a checkbox that if I check, the information about the proxy appears, and I also have here a drop-down menu that by default is in ordinary mail, so I will have to provide some info about where do I live to receive uh, whatever by email. Okay, but if I want to receive it by email, this block will disappear because I am accepting to receive all notifications by email. Okay, so let's see how this works within DocSpresso. Like I am in the back office, I can click here directly here the edit button. Of course, this only will be available for back office users. And as you see here, what we have is that in principle this block is here, but if I click here, I am saying that by default this block is hidden. Okay, that is the standard behavior that we saw before. Okay, but I am telling DocSpresso to change the visibility depending on the variable that is called representative. Whenever it takes the value yes, it should show this block of content. So if I go here to representative, I can see here that I have parameterized it like an options variable, checkboxes, and the value is yes. So this is the value that it gets when the checkbox is ticked or checked. Okay. And the other one here in notification, I added this like options, but in this example is like a drop-down menu, and it has two variables, two possible values: ordinary mail and email. So what I am saying is that by default, this variable takes the value ordinary mail. Okay. And if I go here, like before, in this case, I am telling DocSpresso that visibility or the display by default is to show, but whenever the variable notification takes the value email, it should change the visibility. Okay, so in fact, this is what is happening. If I go here, I am going to cancel because the document was already properly edited. Okay, and if I go to preview again, we see that indeed ordinary mail is chosen by default. This block of content is shown. I change to email and it disappears. And just the contrary with this one. Of course, this does not cover the full range of functionality that DocSpresso offers to show or hide content, but I think it is a good example to start with. Okay, thanks for your attention and bye.